Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Anker Soundcore Model 0 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not working because it's not connecting to your phone or other device, or it's not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now if you've given up and you've decided this speaker is getting kind of old and you want to just get a new speaker, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a good speaker at a good price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is just whatever reason where you want to delete and clear all of the pairing history off of it so that you can go ahead and set this speaker up like it's a brand new speaker coming out of the box. We can do this really simply. Just with the speaker turned on, all we need to do is come in and find this Bluetooth button and this volume up button. And we're just going to press and hold these two buttons simultaneously for 4 seconds. After 4 seconds, that will trigger a factory reset. The speaker will make a sound indicating that it's resetting, and then you can go ahead and set this up like a brand new speaker.